How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about if we can recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days or not. So let's find out. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser, and as you can see, when you ask for Google, you can see that it is not possible to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days, because once the 30 days period has passed, after the requesting deletion, the account and all associated information are permanently deleted and removed from the Instagram because of the Instagram policy. So if you are still under 30 days and if you want to quickly recover your account, then in that case what you need to do is just come back to your new tab inside any of your browser and just search in instagram.com/support, and you will be redirected to this page. Now just tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and just click on this manage your account and click on the first link. And from over here, just scroll all the way down and once you see this, was this helpful, just click on no and just click on other. So when you get this dialog box or description box here, you will have to describe your issue about wanting to recover your permanently deleted Instagram account. So once you type in all of your issue, and just don't forget to provide your email or username, and this will try to fix the issue within 48 hours and by sending a message or confirmation to your email provided or registered email previously on your Instagram account. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.